In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again, tap on device unlock and select screen lock. Now it's time to select one of those password types. Wait 5 seconds and choose continue in the pop-up. If after picking a type you change your mind, you can always click on use a different password type and select one of those. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Wherever you decided, now it's time to create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then select cancel or enable in the pop-up and go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!